Welcome to HearUpUSA. If you're looking for a premium hearing aid that combines advanced AI technology, crystal clear sound, and all-day comfort, then this video is for you. Today, we're unboxing and exploring the Signia Pure Charge and Go 7iX, one of Signia's premium rechargeable hearing aids. Let's see what makes it stand out.
Let's slide open the box and see what's inside this premium packaging. First up, right on top, we have the official Signia user guides and manuals, which include the portable charger RIC user guide, the safety manual for hearing aids, and the specific Pure Charge and Go 7iX product manual. Moving on, we have these sleek white individual protective cases. Let's open one up, and inside we find the star of the show, the incredibly small and discreet Signia Pure Charge and Go 7iX hearing aids in a beautiful beige finish. Just look at the build quality. It features a lightweight design, a flexible receiver wire, and a comfortable ear tip. Let's check out the second case, and here is the matching pair for the other ear, featuring a clean, ergonomic design that sits perfectly right behind your ear. Next, let's pull out the main charging unit box, which contains the Signia portable charger. It has a sleek pocket-sized design, an LED indicator light on the front to show the battery status, and a modern USB Type-C charging port at the back. When you place the hearing aids inside the slots, they magnetically snap right into place, and the LED lights instantly turn green, indicating that your hearing aids are safely charging. Inside the lower compartment, we find the essential accessories, starting with the high-quality braided USB Type-C charging cable to power up your portable charger. We also get a dedicated Signia drying jar, which is super important for daily maintenance as it helps remove any moisture or humidity from your hearing aids overnight. And lastly, right at the bottom, there is a handy cleaning brush